I've been using Telegram since forever. It works fine, but setting up can be long and tedious. Setting up for multiple users in the same house can be painful. Luckily, there's a new messaging/notification app available. Best of all, it's free. On your phone, install this app called ntfy. After installation is done, click on Open, click on Allow, tap the plus icon on the bottom right-hand corner. Give it a name. I'm going to name it a House 633 in this example. When you go to the website, select the same topic. Start typing anything you want, and whatever you type, it will appear on your phone as well. Optionally, on the desktop side, go to Sign Up, enter in your username. If you want this topic to be exclusively yours, then you have to upgrade to the Pro version. In your Home Assistant, go to the Settings, Integration, Add Integration, and search for ntfy. The service URL is just the website. Even though I'm not a paying member, I still have to enter in my credentials and then click on Submit. By the way, if this video is helpful, please consider subscribing and liking the video. This lets YouTube know my video is indeed helpful and will recommend to others like yourself. Enter in the topic. Click on Submit. Go down to Developers. Click on the YAML mode. It will give you the simple text instead of the user interface. The action will be notify.send message. The target will be the topic that you want. And then the message will be anything. Click Perform Action. And there you go. On your phone, you should receive the message. Setup is crazy fast, right? Obviously, I am going to unsubscribe from this topic because everyone will know it, and I will probably get weird alerts. Whenever you select a topic, make sure it is super long or so strange that nobody can snoop in on the conversation. If you have multiple users, then assign each user a unique topic. Alright, hopefully you found this video helpful. I really appreciate you guys subscribing to my channel, liking this video, and thanks for watching.